Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to learn how to count on to add with numbers to 20. Let's take a look. How do we count on to add? Well, when we count on to add, we first need to look at our equation. This equation is 6 plus 9. Then we look at the two add-ins and find the greater of the two. For this equation, that's the number 9. After that, we mark the number line with a dot on the number 9. Then we look at the equation again and see that the other add-in is the number 6. So we count on 6, just like that. Then we find where we land. Well, we landed on 15. So we write 15 into the equation. And now we know 6 plus 9 equals 15. Let's try a few. Okay, here's another equation. 4 plus 8. First, we need to look at the two add-ins. Which one is greater? You got it. The number 8 is the greater of the two add-ins. So let's mark the number line on the number 8, like this. Excellent. Then let's look at the equation again. The next add-in is the number 4. That means we need to count on 4 from the number 8. Let's do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did we land? Well, we landed on the number 12. So we circle the 12 and write it into the equation. Now we know 4 plus 8 equals 12. Hey, that was fun. Let's do another one. Okay, this problem is 12 plus 6. Let's take a look at the two add-ins. Which add-in is the greater? You got it. 12 is the greater add-in. So we want to start on the number 12 and mark our number line at the number 12. Let's do that now. What's the next add-in? Yeah, it's the number 6. So now we know we need to count on 6 to add. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did we land? Well, we landed on the number 18. So we write that number into the equation, 18. And now we know 12 plus 6 equals 18. Wow, this is fun. I love counting on to add. Okay, do you remember what to do? First, yeah, look at the equation. We need to find you got it, the greater number. Which one of the two add-ins is greater? Yeah, it's the number 9. So let's mark the number line on the number 9. Perfect. Okay, now we need to look at the equation again. Yes, we need to find that number 3 and count on 3 to add. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3. Where did we land? We landed on the 12. So circle the 12 and then write it into the equation. So now we know 3 plus 9 equals 12. This is a lot of fun. Let's do another one. Okay, here's our next equation. 14 plus 5. Do you remember what to do first? Yes, look at the add-ins and find the greater one. Which add-in is greater? You got it. It's the number 14. So now we need to mark the number line right there at the number 14. Okay, now what? Yes, look at the equation. We need to count on 5. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did we land? We landed on the number 19. Great job. Let's write that into the equation. 19. And now we know 14 plus 5 equals 19. 17. Oh, you are doing a great job counting on to add. Let's do another one. Okay, what do we do first? Yes, look at the equation and find the greater number. Which one of those two is greater? Yes, it's the number 10. So now we need to mark the number line right at the number 10. Then you got it. Find the next addend and count on to add. Let's do that now. We need to count on 7. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did we land? Hey, we landed on the number 17. So we circle the number 17 and then write it on the equation. And now we know 10 plus 7 equals 17. Oh, this is so much fun. I love counting on to add. Yay, we get to do another one. Okay, what do we do first? Yes, look at the equation and find the greater of the two addends. What's that number? You got it. It's the number 11. Now, yes, we mark the number line. And we look at the equation, and now we know we need to count on 9 to add. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where did we land? We landed on the number 20. Let's write that number into the equation. And now we know 9 plus 11 equals 20. This is fun. Now you know how to count on to add with numbers to 20. Remember, what do you do first? Yes, look at the equation and find the greater number. Mark the number line with that number. Then count on using the second addend, 6 for this problem. Then circle where you land and write it into the equation. Now, I want you to tell your family, tell your friends, show your teacher that you know how to count on to add. Have fun. You'll be able to do so many things when you can count on to add with numbers to 20. Thanks for learning with me today, and I sure hope to see you again very soon.